Hi, I'm Todd Cunninger, Southeast Region Sales Manager for Workbra Attachments. I'm here to talk to you today about our ditching grading bucket. Some of the key features I'd like to discuss with you today is, if you notice, it is a shorter heighted bucket. That is to reduce the capacity of it, because generally with ditching grading buckets, people want a wider path to cut. It is ideal for cleaning out trenches, ditching, waterways, and that sort of application. We also offer these buckets in an aquatic version as well, where we add in additional drainage holes on it. This bucket does come standard with 2 drainage holes on the back side in order to release sticky material more easily. It's got a T1 cutting edge, and it is a reversible bolt-on cutting edge that does come standard. We've got wear straps underneath and to the rear of the bucket to increase durability and longevity. Some of the most common dimensions you'll see these in is a 24-inch all the way up to a 72-inch, depending, of course, on the size excavator that you're planning to utilize it with. For more information, please contact your local dealer or visit our website. Thank you.